Thank you for purchasing the Cantilever Side Chair by Breuer Chair Company. This chair requires an impact driver gun for assembly. Notice this screw gun has numbers on it, and this is not suitable for the assembly process. This is an impact driver gun, the correct tool needed to assembly. This tool senses when a screw gets stuck and resets itself for easy assembly. Let's unpack our new chairs. Depending on the number of chairs you purchase, you will see your seats and backs packaged separately or all together in one box. Notice the blue dot on the backrest, indicating the top of the backrest. We have attached the letters A and B on the frames and wood backrest for easy assembly. Always attach the backrest first, start on either side and insert the wood screws through the frame, and line it up with the wood backrest. Once the screw is in halfway, please attach the other screw on the same side of the chair frame halfway. Move on to side B and insert the screw, and do not tighten until all 4 screws have been attached halfway. Now you can go back and tighten all 4 screws all the way. Once the backrest is fully installed, it's time to attach the seat. Notice the sticker indicating the front of the seat. This is the flat side with the bevel edge. Notice the sticker indicating that the seats only come with indentation marks and not pre-drilled holes. Pre-drilled holes do not make the assembly more manageable and are not required for our products. Please use an impact driver gun. Now find a stable, flat surface and place the seat upside down. Next, turn the frame over and line up the holes with the indentation marks. Start with the left side and attach the 2 screws. You can tighten the 2 screws fully and move over to the other side. Align the 2 screws and tighten them all the way. If you prefer, we have a built app for assembly. Please download the app on your iPhone or Android, and by scanning the QR code on the box or inside the assembly instructions packet. This chair model comes in many configurations. The assembly instructions are the same for all the chairs. Your Cantilever Side Chair is now ready to be used and enjoyed. Thank you.